Hello everybody, I'm Bobby, KE7FEI, and today we're going to go over the Tidradio H3 and how to use Odmaster and programming it. Very simple, very quick. Let's do it right now. Bring your phone, pull up Odmaster. There's the app. Should pull up like this. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. I say again on your phone, make sure your Bluetooth is on. Okay? We're going to go ahead and turn on the radio.
Welcome.
And we're going to make sure the Bluetooth on the radio is on. How do we do that? Press and hold this blue button right here that says BT. And then you should see the symbol for Bluetooth pop on. Now, once that happens, you can set that down. We don't need to touch that anymore. Come up here where it says connect to Bluetooth. You click. There's the radio, TD-H3. Click. Bam, there's the radio. Now, just to make sure, we're going to go ahead and read it. And as you see, Bluetooth programming. It is that easy. That's all you had to do. We're going to read it real quick, and then we're going to write it. Okay. And there it shows what my channel 1 is. What my channel 2, 3, 4, 5, all my channels that I currently have data on. It's that easy, right? So let's say you want to program your radio, right? So let's go back to the main screen. And here. Back to the main screen. Well, go down here to the repeater list. So if you hit down the repeater list and you are connected to the internet on your phone, these are all the local repeaters around me right now. And here in Chesterfield, there's Colonial Heights. All you have to do, right, you select the ones you want to import. You import your radio. You set up all your channels. You go through each one, like here's channel 2, here's channel 3, here's channel 4, etc. And then once you're done with your list here, do however many you want. I only have, what do I have? It says I have 30. I only have 10 that I know of. But, so anyways, once you're done with that, get out of there. Make sure to always save it. Confirm it. Always save your work. And then, here we go. Ready? We're going to write this. If you look, I'm going to set the phone down. Bluetooth programming should be done. Okay, let me get in my channels here.
2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. That's my favorite channel. We're going to test to make sure it works. Kilo Echo 7, Foxtrot Echo India, testing. And it works. There we go. That was this radio. I just had to hold it to the window. So let's set the radio back down. What I have to do. But you see it's complete, done, and that's it. And you have it on your phone saved there. Hopefully this was a quick and easy video to show how it's done. There's more I could go over in Odmaster. The program settings, there's status, there's your profile, there's many other things. If you guys have any questions or want more videos, I know you guys said you wanted it landscape. So now I have it landscape. But hopefully this helped somebody and gave you a little bit of motivation to use this radio. I love this radio. I love programming it this way. It's quick, easy, it's simple, and it makes it fun. Until next time, folks, I will see you then. 73's K7 FEI.